Vale, okay. Hello, and welcome to this workshop about Aliada. We have called it Opening the Cultural Data Silos to the World. Today we are 5 people from the project here, from 2 of the partners, from Tecnalia and from Scambit. And I am Marta Gonzalez, and I would like to introduce you Aliada. Okay, so just now how to access cultural data. Just an example, only in Spain here we have more than 1,000 museums and more than 6,800 libraries. The great majority of them provide all their or part of their catalog through a website. So if we want to access to the different to the catalogs, we have to go web by web. Okay, just to consult each of the different elements of the collections. Or in case you don't have your data digitalized, then you have to go personally to the museum or to the library. So why cultural data should be open to the world? We have 2 reasons that are good for the rest of the world. Because it's a benefit for the general public, because they will have access to our collection, to our cultural heritage, because we allow our richer research, and we are promoting innovation, opening data. And which is the benefit that we will obtain as cultural institutions is that we will have a major expositions and promotion of our content in the world. So now I would like to introduce a term coined by Tim Berners-Lee, that is linked data. It's a method to publish structured data so that data can be interlinked and so become more useful. And it's a path to the web of data. The web of data is that Tim Berners-Lee said that the actual web should be is addressed to people, to humans. But he said, okay, but web also should be addressed to machines, should be the web of data, should be searchable, browsable by machines. And linked data use standard web technologies as HTTP, RDF, Sparkle, OWL, etc. So with linked data, we share information that can be automatically read by computers. And we also enable that different and disparate data sources can be connected and queried. And are your library or museum linked open data? Is linked data if you are 5 stars. What does it mean? With 1 star, you have data published under a license. With 2 stars, you have also machine-readable data. With 3 stars, we have non-proprietary format. With 4, we use RDF standards. And with 5, we link our data to other data sets. So with 5 stars, with linked data, we are moving from the web of documents, the web that we know, to the web of data where machines can exploit the data published. But why are we applying linked open data in museums and libraries? Because we are creating a global pool of shared data that can be reused to describe other resources, to avoid the redundant effort of our current cataloging processes, because we use the web and the web-based identifiers, descriptions, and can be directable, citable by catalogers. And linked data is more durable and robust than the metadata formats that depend on a particular structure. So developers will no longer have to work with library-specific data formats as MARC, Lido, or Dublin Core. And with linked data, we increase our presence on the web because the most information seekers can find us now. This is some examples of which institutions are on the linked data cloud. Okay, we have the Spanish National Library, the European Library, the German National Library, the Library of Congress of the United States, we have a Europeana, OCLC, among others. And how, okay, we say, okay, we agree, linked data is very interesting for my institutions to publish and to connect to other existing data sets, but how to publish on linked data? So you have to follow some steps. First, you have to export your metadata of your collections to a standard format as MARC, Lido, or Dublin Core. You have to define an ontology according to international conceptual models as FRBR, as BitFrame, or CDOC-CRM in case of museums. You have to transform your metadata to RDF. And you have to create the referenceable URIs. That means URIs unique for a concept, for an element of your collection that if it is consulted by a human, then it will, you will retrieve a page, a web page that as a human you can understand, and in case you are a machine, then you will retrieve RDF. You have to link to other existing data sets on the cloud, and you have to publish also your data sets. So how to do all these steps automatically without needing to know about the technology that is underneath linked data? You can use Aliada. Aliada is the ally. It's an open source Java application to automatically publish as linked data metadata created by library or museums management systems. It supports different metadata types as bibliographic records, authority records, and description of museum objects. It is compliant with MARC, Lido, and Dublin Core. It converts to RDF using the Aliada ontology that we have defined, and it's mainly based on FRBR00 that includes CDOC-CRM, SCOS, and FOAF. And we link to other data sets on the cloud as Europeana, as the British National Bibliography, as the Spanish National Library, or DBpedia, or FIBase, or MARC code list, etc. And we also provide an automatic publication of dumps and a Sparkle endpoint on Data Hub. So who is who in Aliada? Aliada is a European project funded by the European Commission, and it's led by Scambit, that is an ILS and library services company in Spain. We are also Technalia, providing the semantic knowledge. AdCool, that also is similar to Scambit, and they are in Italy. We have the Art Museum in Spain and the Museum of Fine Arts on Budapest.